Greetings to our friends in the net of bird-friendly Amazonian International. Today is February 6, 2026. Today, the sky is cloudy and the atmosphere is lovely in Macas, the capital of the province of Morona, Santiago, in Ecuadorian Amazon. We are broadcasting from a bird-friendly garden that we have found on the south of the city. This natural attraction has been prepared by the family of Mr. Juan León Pilco, a famous doctor in Macas, the emerald-like city. This bird-friendly garden is being a refuge for those birds that exist in the natural surroundings of this place. From here, we can see the amazing Cutucu Cordillera, which adorns the landscape at the east edge of Macas. We are Reportage TV 593 EC Amazon.